Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Soumya, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Let us see the topic of Bayesian networks from Unit 2 of the subject Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Objectives to understand about the concept of Bayesian networks and to understand how the Bayesian networks are used to represent the knowledge. Bayesian networks. Network representation of knowledge is used to exhibit the interdependencies which exist between related pieces of knowledge. Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model that represents a set of random variables and their conditional dependencies via directed acyclic graph, that is DAG. For example, a Bayesian network could represent the probabilistic relationship between diseases and symptoms. Given symptoms, the network can be used to compute the probabilities of the presence of various diseases. Bayesian networks are DAG, whose node representation random variables and observable quantities. Edge represents conditional dependencies. Nodes that are not connected indicate the variable that are conditionally independent. Each node is associated with the probability function. The input to the probability function is the set of values for the node parent variable. Output is the probability of variable represented by the node. Bayesian belief networks. Inference process problem domain is with the network of nodes which represent proportional variable xi connected by arcs represents the causal influences or dependencies among the nodes. The strength of the influences are qualified by conditional probabilities of each variable. Example, to represent causal relationship between the proportional variables x1, x2 up to x6 as shown in figure, joint probability p of x1, x2 up to x6 is the product of conditional probabilities. P of x1, x2 up to x6 equal to P of x6 by x5 P of into P of x5 by x2 comma x3 into P of x4 by x1 comma x2 into P of x3 by x1 into P of x2 by x1 into P of x1. The general form of each variable xi can be written as P of xi bar of xi minus 1, that is at first letter x1 equal to P of xi by parents of xi. This is the example of Bayesian belief network. List of all the events occurring in this network will be Blackberry B, earthquake E, algorithm A, David calls D, Sophia calls yes. Thank you.